This is Matt. I'm with Retro Rides. It's a little bit of a change up for us. We're taking sheet metal and we're putting it through our plasma, giving it a nice little cut. It's a lot easier than us trying to grind it. But we take sheet metal and it goes onto the plasma table, programmed to cut, and it cuts designs out of the metal. So then we feed the piece of metal that was just cut into the brake. That's what gives us the nice bend, and then it goes in here a second time. And there you have it, trophies. Ready to be, next process is to open them up, powder coat them, and present accordingly.